It's the south nearest road is in the south. It's located in the Himalayas. Located in Himalayas. What place is this?
Himalayas.
Yes.
Nepal.
Almost there. It's a mountain.
Oh, that's the Everest.
Yeah. Oh my God, perfection na yata si Susie. Perfect in geography.
Oh, there it is.
This one, let's find some other place. Some are not really known, no? Parang hindi pa natin narinig tong country na to. Himalayas.
Himalayas like Nepal, Mongolia, something.
Ito Susie, famous museum in Paris. It's a pyramid. It has a pyramid.
Look.
Love Museum. Oh my God.
Start from here all the way around.
We'll see. Ito rin. I think it's in Paris, no? Somewhere in France. It's located in Lower Normandy. Ooh, it's a mount something in Normandy. It's famous, no? It's a rocky tidal stand and a commune. Usually we go there by. No, it's a like a castle. It's near Normandy. It's a north coast of France. We know the place. Yeah. It's near to Normandy. Very famous din siya pag low tides. You can walk there or you can go there when it's low tide. It's a rocky island located in the lower Normandy. It's about 1 kilometer from north coast of France. We can go there from Portsmouth. Saint
Malo.
Saint
Saint Michel.
Yeah, Saint Michael, like that.
Ayan, kasi ang alam ko Saint Michael Church.
Yeah, that one is Mount Saint Malo, Saint Michael.
Oh, Saint Michael.
Ang ganda nito, no? Kasi you
So
can
when
learn.
you go to La Harbe, you can go there.
Really?
Doon sa ano yun, Catholic Church.
Catholic Church. I thought it's like castle.
Yeah, may
Castle.
castle din doon.
Oh, this one very easy. It's a statue.
Liberty.
Ito, one yung pa nga nasabi eh. Statue of Liberty. I didn't even know it's made from France.
No, yung naggawa.
Wow.
It was donated by the French.
Oh, it's good to know.
American.
It was made in France.
Yeah.
It stands
The builder is French.
on an island. It was built in
Staten Island.
1886.
Yeah.
Wow. It represents the Roman goddess of freedom.
Yeah, Liberty.
Oh, it's really, I like this one kasi you will learn, no?
Kaya nga galit sila kay ano eh, kay
Ay?
Trump kasi wala nang liberty.